Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's analyze with Sam Tim Ekere. In today's task, we will see how to import data from a website into your Power BI for further analysis and how to use the Power Query editor to remove rows and also how to use your Word Cloud Visual for further analysis. So let's get started. This is based on the assumption that you already know how to install your Power BI on your PC, and as a matter of fact, you've got one already installed. So, to get your data from a website into your Power BI for further analysis, firstly, you must locate that data on your web page. So in my own case, I've got the visualcapitalist.com webpage, which shows Microsoft revenue by product line. So the table or the data that I am most interested in is the Microsoft Most Lucrative Business segment. So back to our Power BI. So to get that data into Power BI, on my Home tab, I will click on this arrow that is the Get Data arrow. Click on that down arrow and select the Web option. Once you click on the Web option, it will prompt you with the URL part. That is the part which you need to key in. That part holds your data. So I'll have to go back to my web page and highlight this very part, right click on it and copy. Back to my Power BI, on my URL, right click and paste. And then I'll click on the OK button and wait for Power BI, which has a handshake with the web page, to now import the data into my navigator. Alright, on my navigator screen, I will have to select the table or the data that I need to import. So right here, I've got the Microsoft Most Lucrative Business segment, which if you come back to your web page, that is this very page. There might be several other tables on this same page, so you have to be careful on which of the table that you select. So I click on this very option and it populates my table view of that data. At this point, I have an option of loading this data directly into my canvas for further analysis or taking it to my Power Query editor for further cleaning. So if I click on the transform data, it will take me to my Power Query editor. So, so on my Power Query editor, I have an option of having a second look at my data before I finally load it into my canvas for further analysis. So if everything seems fine to me at this point, I can just click on it and apply and close, and it will take me straight into my canvas. But there's one more thing I need to work on, which is the next task. I would like to remove some rows from this table before I finally import it into my canvas. So how do I remove this total revenue row? I don't want it as part of my data to be imported. So to remove this row, I will have to click on the remove row option right here. Can you see that? So you click on this arrow and then select remove bottom rows. I'll click on it and then it will prompt me with the remove bottom rows field. How many numbers do I like to remove? So I just want one. I'll tap on one and click on the OK button. There you have it. That is how you remove row from your from your data set. All right. The next thing is to click on the close and apply option. Once you click on the close and apply option, it will now load the data into your canvas for further analysis. All right, at this point, the data is successfully imported into your Power BI, as you can have it right here under the data panel. All right, so if I click on the collapse and expand button, you can see all the headers of my data set. So that is how you import data. So the next step is I want to carry out further analysis on this very data. And I have several visual options. That is the option you have in Power BI Immersive. So one of the options I would like to use or the visual is the Word Cloud Visual option. So all I need to do is just click on this visual and you have to now bring in your data so that it will now populate um, the values or the visuals for you to give you a quick insight on your data set. So I'll just drag this product line here and drop it under the category option. So once I do that, wow, this is what you have. What this simply means is that of all of Microsoft products, the most lucrative product is the cloud product. So all the product that has cloud as the product line item is that's what is bold in here. So if you look at this, you see that you have the cloud has about $80 dollars, which is under the cloud computing services. So that is how you use your cloud visuals for further analysis. At this point, all you need to do is just look at this visual and you have a quick insight that the cloud product is most lucrative. I hope this helps. Please do well to subscribe and comment and hit the like button. Thank you very much and see you on my next video.